Objective Petrology, multiple choice questions with answers. These are the collection from various previous years question papers and useful for various competitive exams like CSR Net, GATE, GSI, Civil Services exams and other. Welcome to Set 7. Which one of the following rocks shows pillow structure? This was the question asked in Civil Services 1996. A. Comatite, B. Spilite, C. Rhyolite, D. Carbonatite. So correct answer is B. Spilites. It shows the pillow structure. Next question. Which one of the following is thought to be confined in the Proterozoic? A. Spinifex textured comatite, B. Massive type anorthosites, C. Trondhjemite lava flows, and D. Layered ultramafic complexes. So correct answer is D. Layered ultramafic complexes are thought to be confined in the Proterozoic formation. Next question. Which one of the following is the correct order of crystallization of minerals as per the Bowen's reaction principle? A. Magnesium pyroxene, hornblende, biotite and orthoclase. B. Olivine pyroxene, orthoclase and hornblende. C. Iron pyroxene, plagoclase, magnesium pyroxene, quartzite. And D. Olivine, alkali feldspar, plagoclase and quartz. So correct answer is A. Magnesium pyroxene, hornblende, biotite and orthoclase. So this is the correct order of the crystallization as per the Bowen's reaction principle. Next question. After the fractional crystallization of alkali basalt magma, the residual liquid will produce A. Quartz and potash feldspar rich rock, and B. Quartz and feldspathoid rich rock, C. Feldspar and feldspathoid rich rock, D. Quartz and muscovite rich rock. So correct answer is D. Quartz and muscovite rocks. So these are after the fractional crystallization of alkali basalt magma, the residual liquid will produce quartz and muscovite rich rock. Next question. A granitic differentiation cannot be generated by A. Fractional crystallization of alkali basalt, B. Fractional crystallization of tholeiitic basalt, C. Melting of the crust, D. Fractional crystallization of calc-alkali basalt. So correct answer is B. Fractional crystallization of tholeiitic basalt. Next question. Which one of the following is the main basis of classification of sedimentary rocks? A. Process of formation of sedimentary material, B. Source of sedimentary material, C. Environment of deposition, D. Texture. So correct answer is D. Texture. It is the main basis of classification of sedimentary rocks. Next question. Most of the current structures in sandy sediments have been formed by flows that are A. Laminar and rapid, B. Laminar and tranquil, C. Turbulent and rapid, and D. Turbulent and tranquil. Correct answer is D. Turbulent and tranquil. Next question. Pebbles in imbricated sediments generally lie with their long axis parallel to the flow direction and plunge in A. Gently down current, B. Steeply up current, C. Gently up current, D. Steeply down current. So correct answer is A. Gently down current. Next question. Which one of the following structures shows minimum directional variability? A. Parting lineation, B. Ripple mark, C. Planar tabular crossbedding, D. Trough crossbedding. So correct answer is B. Ripple marks. This is the structure which shows the minimum directional variability. Next question. Which one of the following detrital constituents of sedimentary rocks provides the best evidence of reconstructing the provenance composition? A. Quartz, B. Feldspar, C. Heavy minerals, D. Rock fragments. So correct answer is C. Heavy minerals. Next question. A line that distinguishes two metamorphic zones in a particular rock type and that which represents the intersection of the ground surface with the pressure and temperature plane of univariant equilibrium of a chemical reaction is designated as A. Isoline, B. Isograd, C. Isothem, and D. Isochore. So correct answer is B. Isograd. It is a line that demarcates two different metamorphic zones in a particular rock type that represents or constitutes the intersection of the ground surface with the pressure or temperature of univariant equilibrium of a chemical reaction. Next question. Rocks formed by metasomatism at igneous contacts is defined as A. Scans, B. Mylonite, C. Hanfels, D. Areole. Correct answer is D. Areole. So this is a zone where the rocks are formed by metasomatism at igneous contact. It's a margin at which the rocks formed by metamorphism can be seen. Next question. Granoblastic texture in metamorphic rock is developed by A. High stress and low temperature. B. Low lithostatic pressure and temperature. C. Low lithostatic pressure and temperature. High lithostatic pressure and temperature. And D. High stress and temperature. So correct answer is D. High stress and temperature. These are the characteristic features in granoblastic textures in metamorphic rocks. Next question. Development of foliation in a metamorphic rock is mainly a function of A. Stress and temperature. B. Lithostatic pressure and temperature. C. Temperature and chemically active fluids. And D. Chemically active fluids and stress. So correct answer is D. Chemically active fluids and stress. Next question. Tektites are formed by A. Carbonic metamorphism. B. Complex organic processes. C. Impact of meteorites. And D. Differentiation. So tektites, these are formed by impact of the meteorites, which are extraterrestrial matter hitting the earth. Next question. The appearance of cordierite in regionally metamorphosed rocks is controlled by A. FeO by MgO ratio of the rock. B. Al2O3 by MgO ratio of the rock. C. Al2O3 by FeO ratio of the rock. And D. Fe2O3 content of the rock. Correct answer is B. Al2O3 by MgO ratio of the rocks. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? 1. Phonolite is volcanic equivalent of nepheline cyanide. B. Rhyolite is the volcanic equivalent of granite. And 3. Trachyte is the volcanic equivalent of gabbro. And 4. Andesite is the volcanic equivalent of diorite. So the codes are A. 1, 3 and 4. B. 1, 2 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 4. And D. 2, 3 and 4. So we had to select the correct statement. So here the answer is C. 1, 2 and 4. So because phonolite is the volcanic equivalent of nepheline cyanide. Okay, this is correct. And 2. Rhyolite is the volcanic equivalent of granite. It's also correct. And andesite is the volcanic equivalent of diorite. This is also correct. But trachyte is the volcanic equivalent of gabbro. Actually, trachyte is the volcanic equivalent of cyanide. So here we have to select these correct statements like 1, 2 and 4. So that's why C is the correct answer. Next question. Troctolite is a variety of gabbro containing essentially A. Olivine, orthopyroxene and labradorite bitumenite plagioclase. B. Orthopyroxene and labradorite bitumenite plagioclase. C. Olivine and orthopyroxene. And D. Olivine and labradorite bitumenite plagioclase. So correct answer is B. Orthopyroxene and labradorite bitumenite plagioclase. So troctolite, it is a type of a gabbro which mainly consists of these constituents like orthopyroxene, labradorite and bitumenite plagioclase. Next question. The combination of leucite and olivine is stable at A. High temperature and high pressure. B. Low temperature and low pressure. C. High temperature and low pressure. D. Low temperature and high pressure. So correct answer is C. High temperature and low pressure. Next question. Eutectic crystallization takes place when there is A. No miscibility of the solid phases. B. Complete miscibility of the solid phases. C. Partial miscibility between the solid and the liquid phase. And D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Complete miscibility of the solid phases.